What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So right now we are actually outside of Michael's. I think you can see it, it's back there. And we're doing a shop with me for slime supplies video. I don't really know what it's called, but basically we're just gonna be shopping for slime supplies. I'm here with my mom and my brother, and we are preparing for our Black Friday restock at the shop. We're gonna have a bunch of really cool slimes, but we need to get some supplies, so let's go on it. We out here. Of course, all the Christmas stuff is out in front. Alright, let's do this. Might run over my brother. Okay, all the Christmas stuff is out. Alright, what are we looking for?
Slime supplies.
Okay. Oh, look at the floral market. So one main thing that I'm looking for is a bunch of sugar scrub beads because we're going to be making a sugar slime. So we need to find all of those, which I'm not sure exactly where they're at. Alright, so mom actually found the sugar scrub beads. There's a bunch of them, so I'm just gonna grab them all. We need at least 6 of them. I have a bag at home. Alright, so we got the sugar beads, thankfully, because we definitely need those. Oh mom, didn't I need more of these like plate thingies? Check out all this sand here. Literally every time I come to Michael's, all the sand is always in the clearance aisle. This is all clearance here. So if y'all want to make any sand slimes or anything, you should come to Michael's for sure. Check out all these squishies that they have in here. Check out all the glitters that they have. The glitters are super expensive here, but they're really nice. Look at that. It has like a little hollow shift to it. I would recommend getting the holographic glitters from here though. Where are they at? No, this is just regular silver. They have some hollow here. Somewhere, right here. These are actually like true hollow glitters. So I would get them from here. I have a bunch of them, but if I didn't, I would be grabbing them. They even have like cut shaped glitters. These are flamingos here. Ain't that cool? I wish they had candy canes or something for Christmas already. What are these, hearts? Yep, they're hearts. Cute. They have stars here. Also, y'all, this is a pretty good deal here. They sell these little glitter packs now. These are for like the glitter tumblers. If you've seen those, I'll put a picture of mine up. These glitters are $10.99, and there's a bunch of them in there, as you can see. It's a really good sized amount. I actually don't have any black hollow glitters, and I'm gonna need them for a slime for Black Friday, so I'm gonna take these. Ooh, look at these rose gold ones too. So cute. So I'm gonna take those. Of course, we gotta stop by the slime headquarters here at Michael's. All the lovely Elmer's products. We stand Elmer's, obviously. All the magical liquids. Super cool. They also have these really expensive paints, but they look really cool. This one's color shifting. And it should color shift just like you see the little top. So I'm gonna take a couple of these so that we can test them. I haven't really tested them before, so this is a good opportunity because we're here. I also have a green one of these. It's a glitter paint, so I'm gonna take an orange. Ooh, maybe this like dark red color too is kind of cool. I'll take these 3. So I saw that there was more Elmer's glue over here, but I've actually never seen this glitter glue before. If my camera will focus on it, this is kind of cool. I've never seen this color. It is Elmer's glitter glue. I don't know why it's so mini and cute, but I'm gonna take it and do something with it. All right, let's see what else they got around here. Oh, okay, look. So I've actually tried the clays from Compound Kings. Oops, totally just dropped that. I don't recommend these. They're not very great. I have, however, never tried this Delight air dried clay, so I'm gonna take this too and test that, maybe come back for more if it's good. Also, y'all, I'm gonna take a couple of these clays here. They're oven baked clays. I use these to make like my own sprinkles. So I'm gonna take a couple of these. So I need like a brown color for like cookie crumbs. So I'm gonna take these two. Make sure they're oven baked if you are going to use them for sprinkles, because you need to bake them in the oven so that they harden. I might need some red ones as well, so I'm gonna take these. I feel like I always need black clay too, and I never have them for sprinkles, so I'm gonna take like 4 of these maybe. They're the same ones. Yeah, they are. Take all those. It's Christmas time, Christmas season, so we need some green. These and this one too. I know some people use these paints here too, the Artist Loft like neon paints, for like really vibrant colored slime. In the toy aisle, Michael's always has like different putties and stuff like that. See, they have like the Flart putties, Dino World eggs, unicorn erasers. Those are cute. Those would be cute if they were charms. Got a bunch of big putties, magic stretch. Never seen that before. Ooh, this is pretty. It's cute. Squishies next to all the putties and slime stuff. I love these here. They have other ones too that are actually like Michael's brand that are separated. Those are really pretty. Found all the Model Magic. We personally don't use Model Magic in our slimes, but obviously, you know, there's a sale. So if y'all need Model Magic, go hit up a Michael's. I did not know that Crayola has their own glue, so I'm gonna have to get these and test them out for y'all. I did not know this. When did this happen? Here's a little hack for y'all. If you go to the Tiny Treasure aisle in Michael's, they have little figurines that you can use for charms. Aren't that cool? Aren't that cool? Oh my god, isn't that cool? I don't know how to speak today, I'm sorry. Look at all the unicorns. Those little figurines. What is that? Yep, that's the charm we need. We got all the Craft Smart glitter over here. That's Michael's brand if y'all didn't know. Oh, it's Creatology, not Craft Smart. That's what I meant. I think actually both of them are Michael's brands. Both Craft Smart and Creatology. Do we need any of this? You could do like a Christmas pom-pom slime. That'd be cute. They even have like Thanksgiving colors, fall colors. We got everything up in here. Check out these little tie-dye pom-poms. They're so cute. Check out these little glitter paints here. There are unicorns on them. This would be cool to like mix into clear slime. I think I'll take 2 of those for an Instagram video or something, right? Another thing we were looking for our Black Friday sale is going to be these little snow globe containers, because we actually make snow globe slimes. So I'm gonna take about 10 of these because I have a bag full still, but we just need a couple more. Bring the basket on over. All right. I really want this huge nutcracker, but the price tag though, even though it's on sale, that's still expensive. Y'all can go to the baking aisle as well for little molds and use them for DIY clay slimes. We have a bunch of them. I need more charm baggies, so of course I'm gonna take some of these. If they have any more of these small ones, that's the one I need. Alright, so it looks like this is gonna be our total. Alright, so we got all the stuff now. We didn't find everything that we were looking for, but we got a bunch of good stuff, so hopefully, you know, we'll find the other stuff online or something. Alrighty y'all, so that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!